In recent years, the femboy aesthetic has gained widespread popularity, blending traditionally feminine clothing with masculine traits to create a fun, flirty, and gender-bending look. Femboys celebrate the idea of breaking free from rigid gender norms, embracing soft, vibrant, and sometimes playful styles. While achieving this aesthetic can seem costly with high-end fashion and beauty products dominating social media, the truth is you can pull off a hot femboy makeover on a budget. In this guide, we'll walk you through practical tips to craft your femboy look without draining your wallet. One of the most important parts of any makeover is clothing. The femboy aesthetic often incorporates crop tops, skirts, oversized sweaters, skinny jeans, and playful patterns that blend casual and feminine elements. If you know where to look, you can easily find these pieces at a fraction of their typical retail prices. Thrift stores are an absolute goldmine for anyone seeking unique and affordable clothing. Chains like Goodwill and local secondhand shops often stock items like skirts, blouses, oversized jackets, and other pieces that can fit into a femboy wardrobe. Look for bright colors, pastels, and playful prints, as well as layering options like cardigans or light jackets. Thrift stores are also great for discovering accessories like belts, bags, and scarves that can complete your look. Additionally, check out discount retailers such as TJ Maxx, Ross, or Marshalls. They carry fashionable clothes at discounted prices, which makes it easier to find quality clothing without paying full price. If you prefer shopping from home, online platforms such as eBay, Depop, and Poshmark can provide a wealth of secondhand and gently used clothing. These platforms allow you to browse thousands of listings at your own pace, searching for items like high-waisted shorts, graphic tees, or even quirky vintage finds. Often, sellers on these sites offer deals or bulk pricing, so you may be able to snag several items for the price of one at a retail store. On top of that, websites like Shein and Romwe are known for their incredibly cheap, trendy pieces. While the quality may not always match luxury brands, they offer a huge range of styles ideal for those experimenting with their femboy look. Don't be afraid to get crafty. Turn old jeans into chic cut-off shorts, distress them for an edgier vibe, or add lace or fabric patches for a more personalized touch. You can even repurpose oversized men's shirts into cute crop tops with a simple snip. YouTube is full of easy-to-follow DIY tutorials to help you repurpose items in your wardrobe, making it easier to expand your femboy collection without spending a fortune. When building your femboy wardrobe, focus on a few versatile staples. High-waisted pants, skirts, crop tops, oversized sweaters, and shorts can be combined in endless ways to create different looks. Experiment with textures like denim, silk, or mesh to add interest. With these items, you can mix and match to create a wide variety of femboy-inspired outfits. Makeup plays a huge role in the femboy aesthetic, helping to add softness, definition, and personality to the look. But the idea that makeup has to be expensive is a misconception. You can achieve stunning results with budget-friendly products. Drugstore makeup brands have come a long way, and many offer high-quality products at affordable prices. Brands like e.l.f., NYX, and Wet n Wild provide everything you need for a fresh, vibrant face. e.l.f.'s primers and NYX's lipsticks are highly praised, while Wet n Wild's foundations and eyeshadows are great for those just getting into makeup. Keep an eye out for sales too, as drugstores often have buy one, get one promotions on cosmetics. For a polished femboy look, you don't need a huge arsenal of products. A simple kit can consist of foundation, eyeliner, mascara, a bit of blush, and a fun lip color. Foundation evens out your complexion, while eyeliner and mascara can make your eyes pop. A soft pink blush adds a touch of femininity, and lip color is where you can get creative. A glossy, natural tone can keep things subtle, while a bold lip transforms your look for a night out. One of the best ways to learn makeup techniques is through free YouTube tutorials. There are countless videos that teach you everything from basic foundation application to advanced contouring and eye makeup techniques. These tutorials can guide you through getting the perfect winged eyeliner or achieving a flawless complexion on a budget. Many makeup products can be used for more than one purpose. A creamy lipstick, for example, can double as blush, while a highlighter can also serve as an eyeshadow. Using multi-purpose products helps stretch your budget while keeping your makeup routine simple. Hair is a key aspect of the femboy aesthetic, and while wigs can sometimes be pricey, there are affordable options that still look stunning. When shopping for wigs, look for reputable online shops like Amazon, AliExpress, and Shein, which often carry affordable synthetic wigs in a variety of colors and styles. Make sure to read reviews to find wigs that don't tangle easily and have a natural shine. Lace front wigs are often recommended as they create a more natural hairline, but they can still be found at reasonable prices if you shop around. Wigs can last a long time if properly cared for. Invest in a wig brush and wig shampoo to maintain the quality and avoid tangling. Storing your wig on a stand when not in use also helps preserve its shape. By taking good care of your wigs, you can ensure they last longer and avoid the need for frequent replacements. If you want to customize your wig, you can easily do so at home. Heat-resistant synthetic wigs can be curled or straightened with heat tools. You can also trim them to suit your style. Adding clips, ribbons, or headbands is another easy way to personalize your wig on a budget. If you prefer to style your natural hair, budget-friendly styling products like mousse, hair gel, and hairspray can help you create soft, voluminous looks. Whether it's tousled waves, sleek ponytails, or soft bangs, playing with your natural hair is a fun way to express your femboy style. Accessories can elevate any outfit, and with the right touches, you can completely transform your look. The best part is they don't have to cost much. Bold earrings, layered necklaces, and statement rings can all be found for cheap on websites like Etsy, eBay, and dollar stores. Focus on jewelry that complements your aesthetic, from delicate silver chains to chunky, colorful pieces. Many of these items can be found for under $10, but make a huge impact on your overall look. These accessories not only add flair, but can also help define your silhouette. A cute belt can accentuate your waist, while a stylish hat or bag adds personality to your outfit. Many of these items can be found at discount stores or thrift shops, where they're often priced well below retail. Femboy fashion is all about the details, and cute socks or stockings can be a playful addition. Fishnets, thigh highs, or patterned knee highs can add an extra layer of charm and fun to your outfit. You can find these accessories cheaply online or at local discount stores. For those who love getting creative, DIY accessories are a budget-friendly way to enhance your look. Make your own ribbon chokers or add patches to old bags or jackets for a custom touch. DIY projects allow you to express your personal style and make one-of-a-kind pieces. Now that you've got the clothes, makeup, hair, and accessories, it's time to perfect your overall look. With a limited wardrobe, mixing and matching pieces is essential for maximizing your outfits. Pair skirts with oversized sweaters or skinny jeans with crop tops to create new looks. Don't be afraid to combine textures, prints, and layers. This adds depth and creativity to your style. The most important part of pulling off any look is confidence. How you carry yourself makes a huge difference in how your outfit is perceived. Stand tall, walk with purpose, and own your femboy style. Remember, fashion is all about expressing who you are, so wear your clothes with pride. Clothes that fit well will always look more polished. Simple adjustments like hemming skirts or pinning clothes can help create a better fit without professional tailoring. Hem tape and safety pins are inexpensive and can be used to tailor clothing on the fly. Femboy fashion often emphasizes a slim, defined figure, and there are affordable ways to achieve that look. Shapewear is a great way to create a more defined, feminine silhouette. Look for budget-friendly options like waist trainers, corsets, or compression shorts. These items can help cinch your waist and smooth out your body's shape, giving you that snatched femboy look. Good posture can do wonders for your appearance. Practice standing and sitting with a straight back and shoulders pulled back. It not only improves your overall silhouette, but also boosts your confidence. Practicing different poses in the mirror can also help you find angles that highlight your best features. Giving yourself a hot femboy makeover doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. By thrifting, shopping smart, and getting a little creative with your fashion, makeup, and accessories, you can craft a look that's uniquely you, without breaking the bank. Embrace your individuality, have fun with your style, and remember that confidence is the ultimate accessory. With these budget-friendly tips, you'll be well on your way to pulling off a stunning femboy makeover. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.